Hi there. Unseasonably wet and windy for some parts of the UK during Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, with the worst of the weather expected across northwestern areas. That's where these areas of low pressure will move in during the rest of Wednesday. A complex setup, one low pushing into Iceland, another low coming along from the west containing the remnants of ex-hurricane Ernesto. No longer a hurricane, of course, but it does, because of its tropical origins, contain a lot of moisture, and that's cause for concern for western Scotland. So increasingly damp and breezy across western Scotland, northwest England and Northern Ireland during Wednesday afternoon. Light showers for Wales, eastern Scotland as well. But for the rest of Wales, as well as for much of England, it's drier and increasingly cloudy and breezy, so feeling cooler, but nevertheless still 22 Celsius in the southeast, 15 or 16 when the rain and wind set in across western Scotland and Northern Ireland. And the wind increasingly strong through the evening, pushing outbreaks of rain, increasingly heavy and persistent outbreaks of rain into Northern Ireland and more especially western Scotland. Western Scotland likely to see the highest rainfall accumulations during the nighttime and early part of Thursday, with 50 millimetres widely and as much as 150 millimetres for higher parts of West Highland and Skye. That could cause localised flooding by the start of Thursday and some transport disruption. Cumbria also likely to see some heavy rainfall, 50 millimetres or more in some of the wetter spots. North and West Wales seeing the heaviest rain arrive by dawn. With all the wet weather as well as the cloudy conditions across the UK and that mild breeze from the southwest, it's going to be a relatively mild, if not warm night, 15, perhaps 16 Celsius in places by dawn. Not much rain at all across the Midlands, the south and southeast, at least during the start of Thursday, but it is going to be cloudy and breezy. Unsettled start for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Quite quickly through the morning it turns brighter, scattered showers push in, but also some sunny spells. The bands of rain move south across England and Wales through the morning quite quickly and much diminished, with the rain turning lighter and more intermittent, although there could be some heavier bursts as it clears through. Then, by the end of the afternoon, sunnier skies back for western England and Wales, and largely dry here, but feeling a little cooler, and temperatures reaching 20 to 22 Celsius in the south and southeast, mid to high teens further north and northwest. The worst of the winds occur overnight, Irish sea coast, and then northern parts of England and southern Scotland during Thursday morning, likely to see wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour, with some higher routes possibly causing transport disruption around the M6, for example. Thursday evening, those clearer skies spread across the whole of the country, except for the far southeast, where it stays cloudy and damp for a time. Then into the night time, another band of rain moves through, strengthening winds once again, and an unsettled night and start to Friday, before eventually the bank holiday weekend at least sees something a little brighter, with a mix of sunny spells and showers for many. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. Bye-bye.